Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. Today we are biting the bullet. Ooh, yeah, we're doing a deep dive into my S55 AMG. And I'm a little nervous. I'm a little scared. Monkey Wrench Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
All right, everybody, if you have been following along with the series on this car, this is the S55 AMG that I purchased. It was missing all this. And no hood, no bumper, no lights, no fender, no nothing. Okay, we had to put all these parts on. We took it for a quick little spin, and then we had a knock. Not a good knock, a bad knock. That was Lola right there, by the way. And we decided that we had a broken spring. Okay, Randy came over and gave it a couple of whacks with a hammer thinking it was just frozen. No sirree, Bob, it's broken. So today, we're getting serious. We're going deep inside. Yeah, we're going deep inside the S55. All right, here's what we're working with right here. Yep, we've taken one big step forward and a little step backwards. Okay, what I've done, cylinder, okay, we got the valve cover off. We have the two spark plugs out, and I have put a whole bunch of this rope into cylinder number 1, 2, 3. Okay, then what I did was rotate the engine using the crankshaft bolt right down here. Okay, until this was preloaded all the way up. Okay, then I took a step backwards because you have to remove this first, then you remove all of these little bolts. To get this off, I had to really pull on it. I backed the engine up a little bit, so we're going to go forward with the crankshaft just a tad, and we're going to get this back up to the top because I don't want that valve to drop inside the cylinder, because then the whole head has to come off, and that is not good. Okay, so we're going to do that first, then we'll come back, and just like that, we're back. Okay, we have this tightened. Okay, always go clockwise, except if you're trying to remove a little Torx bolt right there. Okay, so we've got that tightened up, loosened. Actually it's loosened. Okay, this spring is very tight. That valve spring is not, the valve is not going anywhere. The spring is going to get replaced. Now we just remove 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 bolts. Isn't that going to be fun? Let's do it with Look at that. Who's proud of himself? Who's proud of himself? I am. I'm proud of myself. Look at that. We did it. Okay? I don't know if it matters if these go in the right order. I'm just erring on the side of precaution here. Okay? Let's have all experts kind of chime in. These are looking kind of worn. I mean, there's oil on them, because I poured a bunch of oil down in there. But this is the offender right here. This is the offender right here. Yeah. Okay, so all of these springs look okay except for the ones on top, and they're kind of a little rusty. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. There we go. Yeah. Don't know what I think about those. This is the guy right here. This is the offender. And I don't even think you really had to undo this, because it only attaches to this. Ah! I don't think you have to. I don't think that was necessary. Okay. Now, we're going to try my little tool where we pop this thing, give it a little hammer shock, and this is just going to come out. It's going to be so perfect and pretty. I hope. All right, let's see. I've never ever done this, and I'm terrified. Basically, you put this over this and you whack it, and it just comes up. I just don't want to lose anything, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean, Vern? We're just going to go for it. Okay, let's just go for it and see what happens. Did it come out? Oh, okay. We got one. And we got it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Look at this. I got him. I got the... Look at that. Right there. Holy crap. Now, let's see what comes out. You want to? There it is. Look at that. We have fixed it. Look at that brake. A clean brake. Look at that. Boop, 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 boop. Mike is happy. Holy crap. Okay. Let's get the new spring. Where'd I put the new spring? I don't know. I don't know. Ah, there's the part. There's the spring. Straight from Germany. If it will come out nice and neatly, I'll show you. There it is. Thing of beauty. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful. And it just sits right here. Okay. Look at that. Kind of worried about these other springs, but we'll see what happens. And look at that. Okay, now in theory, I use the same tool with a little adapter. I give it a whack, and it goes back on. So we're going to try that. Let's see how it works. All right. Micro-Wrench Mike thinks he's an expert at this now, which means it's going to get dangerous. Okay, we've watched 3 videos. I haven't done this before, okay? So here we go. There we go. We have the 2 inserts right there. We've got this ready to go. What I'm told, we just kind of place this right over it. This kind of holds things in place. There we go. And then as we push this down, hopefully it will attach. Some people use a hammer and give it a good old whack. I don't know if I'm ready to do that or not. Okay, that was close. That was really close. I may have to give it a hammer. Fart. We're going to give it a whack. Just almost it. And that's it. Button up almost. All right, we have the valve cover right over here. You can't see it yet. Got the new valve cover gasket. I'm just going to kind of turn the engine and make sure everything is fine. I don't hear any scratches or scrapes or any kind of words I'm making up right now. Let's just kind of see what's going to happen. Okay. See how the valves are moving, including the new one. The new valve spring right there. See? Keep turning, baby. Keep turning. Look at that. Mikey's very happy. He's very, very, very happy. Can you hear the air kind of coming out the 2 spark plugs holes where I don't have spark plugs yet? But she's not getting hung up on anything. Whew. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is not good lighting here. Okay, is there any good lighting for this? I don't know. Lola, what do you think? She could care less. Well, I have to tell you, this car sat here all winter because I was terrified to do the job. But I put my big boy pants on today, and in probably 2 hours, I think I fixed him. I think I fixed him, her, whatever this car is. S55 AMG, all buttoned up. I got to put the air filter cover thing back on, but I want to start it up. Okay, I cannot wait to hear what this engine sounds like because it has literally been 5 months, 6 months. I don't know. I really don't know. You'll notice something. Yeah. Well, one of the fenders went in 5 months, and there is a little puddle, and I think it's just a loose connection. I'm hoping. Fingers crossed, because that ABC system, I don't want to get involved with it, okay? What we're going to do, we'll lower this, we'll put a battery in her, we're going to say a little prayer, and we're going to give her a start for the first time in months and months. Hopefully, things are going to go fine. The sun is setting. The sun is setting that way. That's west. This is east. This is a messed up person. This is it. This is the moment of truth. Lola, you with me? You with me? Okay. We're going to give her a start. Come on up here, Lola. Say hi. These are your people. Say hi. Oh, you're so pretty. People gripe when they don't see you in videos. Can I have a kiss? Nope. Okay. That's good. Okay. We're going to give her a start. First time in 5 or 6 months. Oh, now you want something? Oh, now you're going to show off? You going to dance? Yeah. Come on. Boogie, boogie, boogie. Boogie, boogie, boogie. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That's enough. All right. We're going to start the car. This is going to rise. This is going to go boom, 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 boom. Lola's going to do laps, and all is going to be well in the world. Okay, you ready? Here we go. I'm going to put her in reverse, and she's going to rise like the Phoenix. Who's proud of himself? Who's patting himself on the back? Monkey Wrench Mike. She is alive. I gotta tell you, I haven't been this excited about a car. Shh, don't tell the S63 AMG. I haven't been this excited about a car in a long time. She's alive. And listen, no knock, no chickadee chickadee chank chank, no nothing. So this is a good day. Okay, smells kind of funny. She hasn't run in a long time. This popped back up, which was great. Once you put her in reverse or drive, she popped back up like they're supposed to. I took her for a spin. Did you see that? Yeah. We went this way. We went that way. I was going to take her out onto the street, and then I realized, uh-oh, I got 3 cars ahead of me. Yeah. I have 3 cars. I can't get out to take her on the streets. That's okay though. Beautiful cars there. But we did it. We are another step closer to getting the S63 back on the road. Does she have a black tag? No, she has a good tag. I paid for this. Oh, I paid good money for this. So we can take her for a drive. All right, Lola, you want to go for a ride sometime? Yeah, let's do that, okay? All right, folks, from the rear of my S55 AMG, look at that, my badunkadunk with the badunk-a-dunk on it. This is Monkey Wrench Mike. I am so excited. Yep, success, success, success. It's finally here. I'm loving life right now, I have to be honest. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Give me a monkey. Don't forget your Monkey Wrench Mike merchandise. It's below the link right there. And folks, I promise, see the white car? It's coming up. That is coming up. I just get so excited about one of these cars and I fix it and then I forget about that one. So the 280 SC, Janis Joplin, AKA Ghost Car, is coming up. We screwed up this car. We screwed that one up. So I had to get some parts for that one. This one needs a transmission that's coming from that one. Maybe a windshield too, because that car needs a windshield from here. It needs an oil pan from there too. Yeah, that car needs an oil pan because this guy's an idiot. All right, folks? I'm so happy. Have a good day. Hug your kids if you have them. Hug your dog if you have them. Pet your duck if you have one. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you soon. All right, I am happy. Bye.